Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and if it is the first time for reaching to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. And today's video I have given a question: x plus y equals 20 and xy equals 44. Solution. And of course, first thing is copy what we have x plus y equals 20 and xy equals 44. And of course, this is first equation and this is second equation, and we are going to make x as subject of the formula. On equation 1 we have x, which equals to 20 minus y, and this can be third equation, right? Then we are going to take this x and replace it and plug in this equation number 2, where y times x, 20 minus y, will be 44, where 20y minus y squared is equal to 44. Then by rearranging, we shall say negative y squared plus 20y is equal to 44. By multiplying negative on both sides, of course, we shall say y squared minus 20y is equals to negative 44. By rearranging, y squared minus 20y plus 44 equals 0. And here, this is a quadratic equation, of course, where a equals to 1, b equals negative 20, and c equals to 44. By using formula method, where y1 and 2 is equal to what? Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4a c over 2a. Please don't forget subscribe. And y1, 2 will be negative and negative. Here we shall write 20 plus or minus square root of, here square root of b squared is equal to 400 minus 4 times 1 times 44 over 2. And here y1 and 2 will be 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 4 times 44, that is here 6, 1, 16, 17 over 2. And y1 and 2 will be 20 plus or minus here square root of 400. Here we have 24, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 over 2. And here we have y1 and 2, where have 20 plus or minus sort of 224. Of course, in this equation can be written, can it be replaced by 16 times 14, of course, and over 2. y1 and 2 is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4, square root of 14 over 2, which is equal to y1 and 2 will be 10 plus or minus 2 square root of 14. And of course here y1 equals 10 plus 2 square root of 14, while y2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14. And now, because you have seen that above formula x is equal to 20 minus y, to mean that x1 here is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 square root of 14, where 20 minus 10 is equal to 10, negative times positive, that is negative 2 square root of 14 as x1. Okay, where x2 will be opposite of this, where should be 10 plus 2 square root of 14. Here we have two coordinates of x and y. This is x1 and y1, where this is x2 and y2. And we have to check if question I have given is correct, where x plus y equals 20 and xy equals to 44. Of course, we have x1 and y1. What should we have to do? We have to take 10 minus 2 square root of 14 plus, okay, 10 minus 2 square root of plus 2 square root of 14 is equals to 20 question mark. Of course, we have 10 plus 10, that is 20, and this will be cancelled, which is equal to 20. Okay, what about x times y, where we have 10 minus 2 square root of 14 times 10 plus 2 square root of 14 is equal to 44. And of course, if you have seen nicely, this is difference of two squares, where 10 squared minus 2 square root of 14 squared should be 44. This is 100 minus 4 times 14, which is equal to 44, where 100 minus 656 is equal to 44, so that here 44 is equal to 44. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. And don't forget, subscribe just for receiving many more videos once we upload them. See you next time.